concrete is cold, the story is old. Cracking the pavement, breaking the cage. The earth is a lion, feeling its rage. Ooh, I got the dirt beneath my nails. I'm following the ancient trails. Iron and bone, moss on the throne. The sky is turning black. Can you feel it rising? The wild is improvising. I'm not the prey, I'm not the tool. I am the exception to your rule. I am the sea running with the wolves, breaking the ground with my golden hope. My voice is the thorn in the dark. Every breath is a burning star. And we fight and we hunt and we rise back to the roots and back to the skies. Bow down to the wild. Oil in the water, blood in the stream. Wake up the daughter, end in the dream. Ooh, the forest is reclaiming the street. I feel the pulse beneath your feet. Sharp teeth, gold leaf. The kingdom is alive. Bow down to the wild. The stream, the wolf. One by one, the rebirth has begun. Wild.